squared theta. All right, so I'm just going to fill this in. That would be negative 5/3 squared plus 1. Oh, I forgot to tell you, this is going to be in quadrant 2. Equals secant squared theta. Now what should I do to figure out what secant is? Square it, so got what, 25/9? Plus, I know I'm going to add it to this 1, so I'm going to make this 9/9. Equals secant squared theta. 25 plus 9 is 34. 34/9 equals secant squared theta. Now what? How do I get secant by itself? Square root on the front and the bottom. I called it the top and the bottom. Don't know why I called it the front. That's the square root of 34/3 for the secant. Although then I have to decide whether it's positive or negative, because once you do a square root, you always have to do a plus or minus. So let's see, in quadrant 2, everybody flip over your unit circle and look at secant. Secant is 1/x, right? Is x positive or negative in quadrant 2? Negative, so this answer is going to be negative. Okay. B, this one is going to be with your partner. Yes, big gulp. This one I want you to find sine of theta. I already told you what tangent is. I already told you what secant is. You've got to try to find sine now with your partner. Talk to your partner. Yep, it's still, the tangent and the secant are still what they were before. Remember, you can flip things to find other things.
Oh, you sorry, find this one first. Wait, are we flipping this?
Yeah. Secant is the opposite of cosine.
So I need sine squared
And you would do
equals 1 minus cos, which is
you need to find because well that would be okay, yeah, cosine would be x. And you need to find y, we have to do this.
All right, I'm listening in to all of your groups, so I want to confirm. Flipping secant and calling it cosine, good idea. And then using one of the Pythagorean identities to go from cosine to sine, great idea. Nice job, everybody. Keep going, because some of you are looking real hesitant about it, like, I don't know, this seems completely wrong. And that is correct.
So secant, the opposite secant is cosine, so that'd be that way. To figure out sine, you put it into this one.
or you use 3 over 5. Which one, the first one?
Yeah.
What?
So you find cos when you use
Yes.
so these are ones on
Yes, also, but on the back, the first one is the same one again. Cosine squared plus sine squared equals 1.
And then you plug that into
so you but the square root came down. We actually.
So I guess if technically 34. So the one would be 34 and 34 You got 5 over the square root of 34. I was just waiting for her to come back. How? How do we do? How do we square, right? So, how do we square? Right. 34. Why do you have 3 square root?
Would you guys like me to do this with you?
1 second. Yeah, this is definitely right.
All right, here we go. I'm gonna start doing this one with you now. All right, so first thing I heard you guys say was that to find cosecant, you just flip, no, not to find cosecant, to find cosine. Sorry, did I just freak you out? To find cosine, I just have to flip secant upside down, right? Which is what, -3 over the square root of 34? Which normally I would rationalize, but I am realizing that since I'm about to use it in the formula where I square it, I know that it's not going to be a problem anyway. If you rationalized it, it still isn't a problem there. And then you guys said cosine squared theta plus sine squared theta equals 1, correct? Or you could use one of the formulas that are already solved for the other one. Like this one says sine squared theta equals 1 minus cosine squared theta, which is nice because it just moves the cosine over to the other side. All right, so sine squared theta equals 1 minus, and then I'm going to square -3 over the square root of 34. Like that. Which means sine squared theta equals, let's see, 1 minus what? 9 over 34. Okay. And then what should I do next? Right, I'm going to change this into 34 over 34. Make it a little easier. So now this is sine squared theta equals what? 25 over 34?